Today, we'll be building the Adjust-A-pult. Okay, so inside your kit, you should have one catapult body, one catapult bar, one catapult launcher, a target stand, and a ball. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our catapult body and our launcher. And you're going to find this little nub here, and you're just going to stick it through this hole just like that. And we should have this little nub sticking out on the other side. Then we're going to take our catapult bar and slide it to these first holes. And it should just clip in. And then you have this nice snug catapult. Then we're going to do a little test. You're going to hold it with 2 fingers and try and launch it. Just make sure nothing's wobbling or nothing's falling out of place. Then we're going to take our target and our target stand. And you're going to slide this target right into its stand. Then take the ball, place it in your little launcher, and give it a test launch. First try. But now you may be wondering, what are these other 2 holes for? Well, let's try. Let's take our bar out here, and I'm going to move it back to these far 2 holes. You can put it in either one you want. Now, one thing you'll notice is when you try and use the catapult, it's a little wobbly, comes out of place. So what you're going to do is take that nub and just push it back into that hole a little bit so that it sits flush. Just like that. Then you're going to take your ball and test it out. See what's different about this. It didn't go as far. So let's talk about that. There's actually 2 reasons behind this. First off is the launch angle. As you can see, this one has a lot smaller of a launch angle than this catapult. The launch angle is the angle that this launcher makes with the horizontal ground, or in this case, the catapult body. The second reason is how much of the catapult is actually being wound up. Here we can see when the bar is all the way back here, only this amount of the catapult is flexing. Whereas on this part, we have this entire part of the launcher flexing. And this is actually demonstrated when we pull them back and let them go. As you can see, that one oscillates for a lot longer. Whereas this one has a much shorter oscillation time. Because of this, this launcher has a much greater potential energy and allows us to launch the ball a lot farther, and with a greater launch angle shoots it a lot further forward. Whereas this one has a lot smaller potential energy, meaning the ball is shot a lot slower, and because of its decreased launch angle, a lot higher instead of forward.